Now I'm going to discuss with you some application type of questions based on distance and displacement. Look at once. Here A is the initial position and object travel in the distance in the path of A to the B. Now in this condition is asking what is the distance and what is the displacement. Here you see once this the length is given as a 4 meters and this is given as a 5 meters. Okay, good. Now according to what is the distance means, distance is the total path covered. So the what total path here, that is nothing but this is 4 meters and 3 meters. So that means 4 plus 3 that equals to 7 meters is the distance covered. And what about the displacement? Displacement is nothing but, as you know, that is the shortest path between initial and final. Shortest distance between initial and final. So what is the initial here? A is the initial. What is the final? B. So what is the shortest path? This is the shortest path. So there is a particular direction also. There is a particular direction also. And what is the shortest distance in this case? It's like a right angle triangle, isn't it? That's why the shortest distance is like hypotenuse here. That's why, as you know, in this condition, displacement is equals to square root of side square plus side square. That means 4 square plus 3 square, that is square root of 25, that means 5 meters. Yes, here it is very clear that we didn't follow the path followed by the object. Just we took what is initial and what is final. So in this case, distance is 7 meters and the displacement is 5 meters. Good. Now come to this case. And here, the object is started from the A and it followed the path in this direction and reached to the exactly opposite position, that is B. And the radius of the circle is R. Now in this case also is asking what is the distance and what is the displacement. Okay, good. So as you know that the distance covered means the total path we need to take. Yes, this is the total path. How much this path is? It is a half of circumference. Yes, that is a half of the circumference. What is the circumference formula? Yes, 2 pi r. That means this is just pi r distance. In the problem generally they will assign some value to the r. It may be 7 meters or 14 meters like that. So you can solve in this way. And what is concerned here? Displacement. Displacement means even though object followed in this direction, displacement means we need to see only initial and final position. So this is the initial position and this is a final position. Then what is the shortest path? Yes, this is the shortest path. This is the shortest path. You know that here object is having the direction only in a particular direction only. And what is shortest means? This is obviously 2 times of the r. So that's why here displacement is r plus r, that is 2r. Okay. So in this condition, object covered a point from A to B in this direction. So that's why this is half of the circumference. That's why distance is by r. Whereas the displacement is nothing but the shortest path. That's why the shortest path is only 2r. Okay, good. Now come to the another example. Here, as it is given that object started from the A and covered the path in this direction, and again it reached to the same initial position, that is A. So in this condition again he is asking what is the distance. As we know the distance is nothing but the total path. That means the distance is here 5 plus 5 meters plus 5 meters plus 5 meters. That means 20 meters. So the total path covered in this condition, the distance is 20 meters. Whereas the displacement we are observing here, displacement we observe where the object started, this is the initial. What is the initial position? Yeah. What is final position? Is also A. So initial, in this case, initial position and the final position is also A only. That's why there is no shortest distance existing between initial and final position. That's why displacement is 0. Not in here. In every curved path, for one complete task, the displacement is 0. Is it clear? We will see one more example here. This is also a circular path. The initial point of object is A and it travelled in the path in this direction and reached the position B. So here initial position is A and final position is B. Okay. In this case he is asking what is the distance and displacement? What is the distance and displacement? Let r is the radius given for the circle. So as we know, yes, this is the half of the part and this is 1/4 of the part. So what is the path covered on the circumference means that is the 3/4 part. That means 3 parts covered on a circular path. That's why the distance is 3/4 part of the 2 pi r. So the distance in this condition from A to B in this direction is 3/2 pi r. Okay, good. Now what about the displacement now? What about the displacement? So for the condition of displacement, we need to see what is the initial path and initial position and final position only. We won't consider what is the path followed. Am I right? So that's. Then what is the shortest path between these two? Yes, this is the shortest path between A and B. Then how you can find this? Then how to find the shortest path AB? Then yes, you know, this is the distance of r, that means radius, and this is also r only. Then yes, that is also r. Then what is shortest path? There is obviously a hypotenuse. So the length of the AB, is a hypotenuse here. When the radius is r, then obviously here the displacement is equals to again side square plus side square. That means r square plus r square. The square root of 2r square, or you can write displacement is root 2 into r. So this is the displacement.